Welcome to Let's Build a Willys Jeep YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the brake return spring, which will be located on your brake pedal arm. There's a small hole in your pedal arm that the spring will be attached to, and the spring will run from here all the way to this bracket that is actually welded on to your transmission cross member. Here is a closer view of your brake pedal arm. And see this small little hole right up here where my finger is? That is where one end of your spring is going to go. There's a small hole at the very, very top of this bracket. Other hook of the spring will go there. It is important that you change out your spring if you're having problems with your pedal arm not retracting fast enough and not operating as how it should. This is the old spring. As you can see, it's all warped, the hooks are all bent, and it's all stretched out. Over here we have the brand new spring, all brand new, has the right tension in it, and it'll pull back the pedal arm the way it should. Make sure you guys change your springs out if you're having problems with your retraction on your pedal arms. It's a very simple install. All you need is a pair of trusty old vice grips. With your new spring in your hand, it's very important that you put the one hook into this direction, so the hook end will face towards the transmission. So hook into that small hole, bring the spring over, and now you'll connect the other end into this hole. Now with your good old pair of vice grips, clip on to the very end of the hook. And now we'll put this hook into that hole. The orientation of this hook is it goes from underneath, it hooks around this bracket, and this hook again, once again, goes in and faces towards the transmission. We are now in the interior of the Jeep, and this right here is the brake pedal, and give it a quick try. See how it sprung back really quickly. And that is how you install your brand new spring. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.